Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a fall decorate with me in my living room. So I have completely rearranged my living room. I'm over the moon excited to share with you all the changes that I've made and also the fall decor that I have for the 2019 season. I actually woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning with all these ideas running through my head, how I wanted the color combinations to work. So I cannot wait to share with you guys. Now this is episode 23 in my I Love Fall series. We are having the biggest fall party on my channel. I really feel like fall is just such a wonderful time to redecorate, get things cozy inside of your home as you're beginning to work into the winter months where you're going to be inside more often. And it's just such a cozy, snuggly time. Comment and let me know if you guys think the same. So anyway, let's jump into this decorating video and I'm going to share with you guys everything that I have done so far. So to get started on my fall decor, I want to decorate my entryway table. I added this buffalo check plaid curtain valance. I found it at the thrift store. This is a little tip. Check your curtain section because a lot of times a valance will be less expensive than an actual table runner. I also added in that cute little kind of rustic toolbox that I also found at the thrift store and a couple of lamps. Now I'm adding in this really beautiful garland that I found at Michael's. Michael's has all of their fall decor buy one get one free, so definitely take advantage of that. I'm very loosely kind of tucking it into this planter box because I want to live with these colors again for the weekend and just see what I think. Now I also found this beautiful gold little easel at the thrift store and I'm going to pop that into the back of the planter box because I want to create a spot for a picture to go. So I took this pumpkin spice and everything nice and I framed it in a frame, and I believe the frame is about 18 by 16. Just measure your little Dollar Tree signs, but I did get the pumpkin spice and everything nice sign at the Dollar Tree. And a great tip to classy up any little Dollar Tree sign is to add it into a matted frame. And then I'm adding my favorite fall treat along with my kiddos' favorite fall treat is this delicious candy corn. I found this at the Dollar Tree as well. Now we really like the candy corn that they sell at Tuesday Morning, but I just happened to be in the Dollar Tree, so I grabbed a couple of bags. I think this looks beautiful against the black and white offset with the leaves and the really sweet lamps. So the inspiration behind this living room rearrange was I had my family for dinner the other night, and when it came time after dinner to kind of gather around and watch a movie, there was really nowhere for everybody to be. So my living room is somewhat long but not very wide, so I wanted to create a space that felt like a cozy living room. So I moved my sofa over in front of the TV and then I gathered some chairs around, and that way it felt like everybody could see each other, have conversations, and also see the movie. I'm also thinking about getting a couple of maybe oversized pillows, or maybe even a beanbag, or maybe another chair to put over on the other side of the sofa just to expand the seating arrangement. I think it's tricky sometimes to have a seating arrangement that will sit everybody but that doesn't feel too cluttered. So for this I took out any kind of coffee table, and I also added a mirror over to the side in hopes that that would kind of expand the room. If you all have noticed in my home decor, I use a lot of mirrors because I actually have a fairly small space, and so I feel like using mirrors is a great way to reflect and open up that space. It creates kind of a different dimension as far as it will trick the eye and make you think that there's a larger living space than there really is. And so that was kind of my thinking behind the beginning of this rearrange.
Now it's time for my favorite part, and that is adding the throw pillows. I am so addicted to throw pillows. I just love them. It's such a fun, easy way to change out your decor. So I found these buffalo check plaid throw pillows at Tuesday morning, along with this really cute little thankful pillow. Okay, so I have gray velvet curtains on my big, large windows. So I wanted to find a way also to use these gray velvet pillows that I bought during the springtime and just tuck those in to offset the curtains. And then the little thankful pillow I felt was perfect because I feel like it can transition from fall into Thanksgiving and even some Halloween with the buffalo check plaid pillows. And then I'm adding in this really cute little burgundy velvet pumpkin. This was a DIY I shared with you guys, and then one of the Dollar Tree velvet pumpkins as well. I thought we needed that little pop of color. Then I decided to go ahead and pick up some Rust-Oleum copper spray paint. I thought this would be perfect to give these baskets a refresh. So I sprayed that pretty basket, and then I also flipped this little, it's kind of like a wooden box upside down. My idea for this was to elevate a mirror that I want to use in the corner of my living room. Again, I'm rearranging and updating things, and I think the pops of color are beautiful. The pops of copper color are beautiful for fall.
The next thing I wanted to do was add a garland. So I went to Michael's and I really was in search of kind of a pale green garland with maybe some white pumpkins. I did a shop with me at the beginning of the season at Michael's, and let me tell you, they were wiped out. So I think I waited too long to try to find a good deal on a garland. But when I found this really pretty beige and kind of cream colored garland, I was really excited about it. And I was also excited because the price was only $15 and it was buy one get one free. So I maximized that and I went ahead and got two of the same garland because I wanted to use one on my mantle and then sprinkle one somewhere else. And so I decided to take the other garland and put that in my entryway. Now you guys, I love over the top floral arrangements, but because I have rearranged this space, I want to live with this space over the weekend before I create a really big, beautiful overflowing floral. I'm playing around with different arrangements of where I want my pumpkins to go.
So I'm adding this beautiful sparkling neutral colored garland to my mantle. Now I really love to start with a completely blank slate when I go about doing my mantle florals. And I'm going to go ahead and use this pretty little basket over here to the side. I want to elevate a couple of pumpkins and begin to really tie all of the colors together. So I have the coppers and the beiges, and almost like the leaves have a little bit of gold in them. I'm taking these Halloween jack-o'-lanterns. You guys ask me about these all the time. They're just little jack-o'-lanterns that I found at the thrift store. I believe they have them at Walmart, and I chalk painted them white. So I turn them around and face them out for fall without the jack-o'-lantern face, and then once Halloween comes, I can just turn them around and face them out for Halloween. And then I did paint one of my pumpkins this beautiful copper color. I added in some more little pumpkins around it, kind of like this is just a little harvest basket. And you guys know me, I am going to play with this over and over and over again. So here is that mirror that Mr. Romantic brought home for me. We want to elevate it and put it on some kind of riser, but he is out of town this weekend, and so it was just me, and I thought I would wait for him to get back. I added some burlap pillows to these little chairs. Now these chairs are a family heirloom, so they're really beautiful. They're painted white. They're a bit rickety though. I also decided to add this beautiful Bath and Body Works bourbon maple candle to my little side table over here, along with a fresh mum. You guys, Walmart is putting their mums out. This one was $4. It should bloom purple. I'm not sure it's going to live inside very well, but it looks so cute for this display. I could not resist sharing this with you guys. I also found these beautiful glass ceramic pumpkins at Dollar Tree.
Next thing I wanted to do was update and refresh a couple of the chairs that I had in my living room. It seems like every season I love to choose a new fabric and recover these chairs. As much as I would love to go and spend $200 a piece on brand new chairs, I really do love these chairs, and the best way to kind of refresh them is to recover the seats. So I went to Walmart and I actually found some really cute buffalo check plaid fabric there. I purchased a couple of yards, and then my husband helped me recover these chairs. It was super easy, and it was just a great way to kind of incorporate some of that really hot, trendy buffalo check plaid without going too overboard. I paired that with some of these burlap cushions that I got actually from burlapfabric.com. I'm gonna leave the website down below and a coupon code if you guys would like to take advantage of that.
Meet my handsome son, Max. He is going to be a senior this year, so oh my goodness, I'm definitely going to miss him, but he loves to give me a hard time. It cracks me up so much. So anyway, on with the living room, I'm really loving how this is coming out. So I used a lot of buffalo check plaid in just some accent spots, along with all of the whites. I love my whites, you guys. They're such a nice neutral backdrop. You can decorate with almost any color when you have that white palette as the backdrop. And I'm loving the golden tones of this beautiful fall garland. Now I may add in some bolder tones with maybe some oranges and yellows. Again, I have to live with this for just a bit and see how I feel about it and what I want to add into it. And I'm going to get all my fall florals out and just probably play around with some things. But definitely comment and let me know what you think about this living room rearrange. So before I had my sofa facing out towards the window, and I'm really loving the way that this opened the space up. And then I put my little craft cabinet right back here behind the couch, so it could also double as a bench if somebody needed to sit down on it to put their shoes on before school. And then I moved my other shelf over to the side of this picture and then moved that mirror right there to kind of open the space up. I still feel like maybe there needs to be something to the left of that larger mirror. I'm not quite for sure yet. Again, I still need to live with how I rearranged this just to see what I think about it. But oh my goodness, it brought my heart so much joy and so much light to do this rearranging. It was almost like I had gone out shopping for brand new furniture because everything looked so much different just by adding in a couple of these little different pieces and some pretty little new pillows. I just feel like it's looking so fabulous and so fun and festive and ready for a great fall party, or just maybe to have the family over for dinner and have everybody have a nice little comfy space to kind of relax in. Tons of throw pillows in case people want to flop out on the floor. Do your kiddos do that? My kiddos love to grab a couple pillows and just flop on the floor, but see this big open space, my TV cabinet over there. And then this decor is also mixing in with my dining room decorations and decor. So check out that video. That is going to be in the I Love Fall playlist below when I kind of made over my dining room space. Again, the majority of these items are from Dollar Tree or the thrift store. I've just had them for years and years, but the refresh with the pillows and the fabric was so fun. I also wanted to share with you guys this outfit that I picked up at the thrift store. These are little Gap kind of leggings, and then this flowy white top, and then these little boots. The whole outfit cost me about $10, so I was super excited for that. And then I got this pretty bracelet. I believe it was about $2. So definitely keep an eye out for some name brands at your thrift stores. You guys can get some great deals if you just check and do some bargain shopping. Now, when I do my thrift store shopping, I do take the majority of the day because I really like to hunt and find the best deals and only try to bring home things that I'm absolutely crazy about. I did love how this shirt too was kind of longer, and I thought these cute little half boots just looked adorable with it. Comment and let me know what you guys think about that, and maybe even if you'd like to see me do some more little kind of fun fall fashion ideas.
So thank you all again for joining me on this decorating adventure. I hope you all are inspired. Comment and let me know what you think about my living room rearrange. I cannot wait to keep working on it and just seeing what I want to add or take away or move around. I think sometimes we think we need to go out and buy a bunch of new things, but a lot of times we already have what we need, and just by rearranging our furniture, it gives us a fresh outlook, and you can live with it for a couple of days or weeks or months, and if you hate it, put it back or do something different. So thank you all again. It is a blessing and an honor to have you all here. If you're new, I would love to have you be part of this wonderful crazy crafting journey. Consider subscribing. It's totally free. If you click the little bell next to the subscribe button, it will update you every time I post a new video. So thank you all again. I love you guys so much. I'm hugging you all so tight. Have a gorgeous, blessed weekend. Until the next time, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.